Farm animal spelling. There are so many awesome farm animals. Let's learn how to spell their names. Cat. Cat has 3 letters. What's the first letter? At. That's right. The first letter is a C. What's the next letter in cat? Great job! It's an A. One more letter. What is it? Cat. Way to go! It's a T. C-A-T spells cat. Pig. Pig has 3 letters. What's the first one? Egg. That's right, the first letter is P. What's the next letter in pig? Great job! It's I. One more letter. What is it? Pig. Way to go! It's a G. P-I-G spells pig. Cow. Cow has 3 letters too. What's the first letter? Ow. That's right, the first letter is C. What's the next letter in cow? Great job! It's O. One last letter. What is it? Cow. Way to go! It's a W. C-O-W spells cow. Dog. Dog has 3 letters. What's the first letter? D. Og. That's right, the first letter is D. What's the next letter in dog? Great job! It's O. One more letter. What is it? Dog. Way to go! It's a G. D-O-G spells dog. Goat. Goat has 4 letters. What's the first letter? G-oat. That's right. The first letter is G. The second 2 letters work together to make one sound. Goat. Do you know the 2 letters that make this sound? Great job! It's O and A. One last letter. What is it? Goat. Way to go! It's a T. G-O-A-T spells goat. Last one. Duck. Duck has 4 letters. What's the first letter? D-uck. That's right, it's a D. What's the next letter in duck? Great job, it's a U. The last 2 letters work together to make one sound. K. Do you know the 2 letters that make this sound? Duck. Way to go! It's C-K. D-U-C-K spells duck. Great job spelling all the animal names. Come back later for more farm animal spelling. and thanks for watching!